demonstrate how to install the tray onto the Qool stroller. So with the stroller, you will receive a bumper bar with the seat. To remove that, there are two buttons on each side that you're just going to push in on each side. Notice it does have a swing away feature, and you'll do the same on both sides. The tray has similar brackets that go in and click right in. You will use the same buttons to remove the tray, and it does swing away as such as well. To clean your tray, you can actually remove the plastic cover on it and wash it down. It is dishwasher safe as well, and you'll notice it just clips right back on to the frame, and you're all set.